Okay, the other thing is we use Plagal and authentic. Plagal and authentic, there's so much more to it. Most people thinking of Plagal, they're simply doing this. This is a Plagal cadence, right? It's a 4 to a 1 chord. This is an authentic cadence. Authentic has more of a definite end. A Plagal is more soft. All right, that is what the modern diatonic system teaches. So I don't want you to forget anything that you know. I just want to add to your knowledge. So let's add to the Plagal and authentic knowledge. You can have melodies, entire melodies that are Plagal melodies, or they're authentic melodies. And that means that where their resting points are they in the center of the melody? If the melody is going like this, the resting points are in here. This is where you're landing on the roots or that sort of thing. Or are they at the ends, the top part? Is it ending up here or is it ending down here? If it ends up here or down here, it's an authentic melody. If it's ending in the middle and the rest points are in the middle, it's more of a Plagal melody. Why do you want that? You want to know that because melody is an art form. Writing a melody is an art form. And it shows up in the lead lines you write for a section or the song that you write or your plain songs. So we want to make sure that you understand that you have some control over how soft or hard the melody is by simply, is it a Plagal or is it authentic? Right? So that's part of the reason why you need to know that. The other reason is if you're looking at almost all tunes, if you take a fake book and look at in the real book, most of those tunes are using authentic root progressions. That's what we're used to hearing. Bum, bum, 5-1, bum, 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 2, 5, 1, right? That's authentic. That's hard endings, right? G to C, that's authentic ending. Plagal is the other way. So if I took this, everybody knows the cycle of fifths or fourths, the wheel. If you look at the top of it, I might have to turn around this way. So can you, I'll try to do it from your point of view. Let's see, how would that look? Okay, I got a C up here and a G flat or an F sharp down here. All right? So I'm inversing my view now. So if I'm going to be authentic, I'm going to go this way. And I'm going to end up with an E, A, D, G, right? It's going to B, E, A, D, G. F sharp. That's the authentic way to go. That's 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. Simple. The Plagal way to go is the opposite way. So if I'm going the opposite way, what is the Plagal 2, 5? B flat F. B flat F, C. I'm going the opposite way. F is a subdominant. G is a dominant. Anybody ever wonder why you call it a dominant at all? It's a subdominant. It's because that F resolves to the tonic just as good, especially if you do it this way, and we're going to learn about this, okay? But it's very, you probably heard that sound before, right? Many times, if you want. So your substitutions, if you're writing in vertical thinking, which isn't what we do, but I'm just telling you, if you want to find really nice substitutions, you back it all the way up, and you can come all the way from the G flat, which would be a G flat on the Plagal side, and you can start with your sharp 4, which that's what it would be, right, to the key of C, or flat 5, right? And that's the Plagal side. This is the authentic side. You can mix and match these guys. The interesting thing is if I'm in C and I have a 2 chord, and it's authentic 2 chord, what is the root? What's a 2 of a C? It's a D, right? Okay. That's authentic. 2, 2, 5, 1, right? Okay. How far is that from C? 2, right? What's the Plagal substitute for that?
B flat.
B flat. How far is it from C? 2. These are related in a very unique way. And so you can have really cool substitutions. That's why we have sounds like this. That's a 2. As opposed to this. Sounds a little richer. It's a Plagal sound.